Emotions running in the courtroom. Relatives of the Santa Fe high school shooting victims openly wept today at the sight of the suspect. 18-year-old Demetrius Pagorchis appeared for his latest hearing.
His defense team says he won't get a fair trial in Galveston County, and they are fighting for a change of venue. Jason Miles was there for the brief yet emotional hearing.
Today's hearing only lasted about 10 minutes here at the Galveston County Courthouse. The families of the victims and the suspect will be waiting much longer for the actual trial.
Santa Fe high school shooting suspect Demetrius Pagorchis appeared in court via video from the Galveston County Jail, but it was still enough to spark crying in the courtroom.
Well, it was very emotional, of course, just seeing him come out.
The suspect's father, seen here leaving the courthouse with other family members, openly wept in court too.
As you might imagine, this is a very tough experience for them, and I don't want to go too far beyond that. It's very, very difficult.
This status hearing lasted long enough for both sides to tell the judge things were running smoothly, but that does not mean the case is moving swiftly. The discovery phase may last another 90 days or so as the prosecution and defense share information and await evidence from federal investigators.
Do you expect this to go to trial by the end of this year?
No, I think that would be very optimistic by the end of the year.
It's been 8 months since Pagorchis is accused of shooting and killing 8 fellow students and 2 teachers at Santa Fe High. His attorneys say the teenager is still awaiting a full mental evaluation. Meanwhile, they've made a motion to hold the trial elsewhere based on media coverage and social media bias.
There's nowhere he can go to hide from people knowing what he did.
Sonia Lopez wore this Santa Fe Strong t-shirt to court. Her daughter, Sarah Salazar, was among the most seriously injured shooting victims who survived.
Just now, we're beginning to seek therapy, psychological therapy.
Lopez plans to follow the suspect's path to justice, along with those who lost loved ones, for as long as it takes.
The defense team says Pagorchis did not appear in court in person today because of logistical and security concerns. He is expected to be at the next hearing, which is expected to happen in the next 3 months or so. Reporting from Galveston, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.